Take a ride in the 2021 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, universal garage door opener, trip computer, compass, fog lights, clock, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.